Hello everyone, this is Komal. Welcome again in my blog. So today we will discuss how can we improve our skills. Whether that would be communication skill related to your project skill related to any field. But how can we improve that? Is that so difficult to improve? And is that so easy to improve? So what happened in our life? There are so many areas, there are so many labels, and there are so many surroundings in which we feel comfortable and we will not feel comfortable. But how can we keep away from us to improve our skills? What should we do to improve our skill? What we have to do and what we will do in future about that. So let's start from now today onwards. So what we do that whenever we want to learn anything, whenever we want to grab anything, whenever we want to reach at higher level in our life, so what should we do? We have to work hard for that. We have to practice for that. So what is the conclusion of this? How can we improve our skill? First point is you have to work on that. If we will not work on that, we can't get that thing very easily. Let's suppose if we will get that thing without any hard work, but will you be very perfect in that? Will you be very fine in that? Yes or no? You can ask from yourself. Suppose you have grabbed anything else and you didn't hard work about that, but on the as compare of you there are other person, there are other colleague which is more knowledgeable compared than you. Why? Because he or she focused on his or her skill, but you are on the higher level and you are feeling there is some gap in which you are absent. Why that happened? Because you didn't hard work, only your destiny worked and you grabbed that thing. But after I grab that thing, it's a human nature that we don't think about that. That is that happen? If that happened, then why? Because of my skills and because of my destiny. There are two things. Because of my skill, because of my destiny. So we all started to think about that from today onwards. How can we improve uh, any skills in our life? So first point I would like to share with you all that first of all we have to work hard. I want to give you one example in our daily life. When we started up to live our life, what happened? We start to hold the brush and start to do that and start to learn our children then to do as like this. On the first step, he or she is not able to do according to you, right? But after some days, what happened? They regularly do in their habit, and that's a miracle that they learn that thing. Why? Because they practiced every day. They practiced every morning. Correct? If we learn about anything, if we learn suppose alphabets, there are I am giving you very common example and very little example which is very familiar to everyone and you all knows about that. But that's not a small example, that's a big example of our life. Suppose there are so many persons which are stuck, who are stuck in a like difficulties of their life, but they are not able to find out or come out from that difficulty. Why? Because they are not trying, they are not focusing exactly. So what we do, suppose you want to learn anything else, you have to practice every day. You have to find your time every day about that. If you will skip one day, then you will be go far away from your path, from your dream, from your goal. So to achieve any goal, to achieve anything, we have to work hard, we have to continuously, and we have to give the time to that thing. And it's reality that if you will do the same thing, if you will improve your skill, then you will be more confident, you will be more smart, you will be more beautiful, and you will be more 100% achievable person in your life. And you can say to other person also, yes, I know that thing, I knew that thing, I learned that thing, and I will share that thing also with other one, because I learned many things from my life example. I would like to give you my example also. I think that I can't do this. There are so many areas in my life which I thought that I will not be able to do that. But what I saw in my life, that if I have practiced about that, if I have practiced about that continuously, but I given my 100% about that, then I was able to do that. And really, that happened. And that will be happen in your life also. But what to do for that, you have to give the time for that thing, and you have to continuously work on that thing, and it's definitely that you will grab that thing. So how can you improve your skill? If you will work on that skill, if you will find the time to do that skill, and if you will think, and if you will balance your heart that yes, you will do, you can do, and you will be the best. So thanks to all. I hope these views you will like. If you would like to do any comment, you can comment in my comment box, or please like and subscribe this, so that I will be more able, and I will find the time to share most and most better views with you all. Thank you to all.